All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to work a word problem where we're going to have to use sine, cosine, and tangent to actually find the answer itself. Our word problem here reads, a person in a small boat offshore from a vertical cliff known to be 100 feet in height. If the angle of elevation is found to be 25 degrees from the water level, how far offshore is the boat? So we want to go ahead and underline or annotate are important things here, such as the 100 feet. So our vertical cliff is going to be 100 feet. Our next thing is going to be our angle of elevation. Our angle of elevation means that we're looking from the bottom going up. It's going to be this angle right here. And then, of course, we need to know our 25 feet or 25 degrees. And then the question itself, which says, how far offshore is the boat? So that's really telling us what we're looking for. So let's draw the picture. I have a vertical cliff right here. That vertical cliff, they said, is 100 feet. Then we have, it's at the bottom of the water here, so we have water right here. And then we have our little ship out to sea right here. And then it says the angle of elevation from the water line up to the top of the cliff is 25 degrees. And then it really is what it's asking us. It's simply asking for this distance right here, which we're going to call x. So this is the actual picture that goes along with the word problem here. So now let's think about which trig function we're going to have to use. We have sine and cosine that both include a hypotenuse. Well, if I look here, I have the side directly opposite of 25 degrees, which is 100 feet. So this is opposite, not the hypotenuse. Also, we have the adjacent side to 25 degrees, so we have opposite and adjacent. Now, of course, we do have to make the basic assumption that my vertical cliff is meeting the water horizontally at 90 degrees, or we'd have to use a different form of trig than what we just know. All right. So from here, we don't know it. We don't care about the hypotenuse, so that eliminates sine and cosine. So that means I need to use tangent of theta, which is going to be my opposite over my adjacent. So I have my opposite over the adjacent. Here's my opposite. Here's my adjacent. Of course, opposite from 25 degrees and adjacent. You can draw that little arc like I showed you in class. And if your arc touches both, it'll touch the hypotenuse and the adjacent. So I can just fill in what I know. I know that tangent of 25 degrees equals my opposite, which is 100, divided by my adjacent, which is x. Now, I showed you the shortcut in class where we can just swap these if you have a single variable underneath here, and then this is just a number, and tangent of 25 degrees is really just a number. So we're going to swap them out, and we're going to get x equals 100 divided by tangent of 25 degrees. Now, you're going to put this in the calculator. Make sure you're in degree mode to get the correct answer. Once you type this in the calculator, we're going to get that x is approximately 214.45 feet. So, of course, as I say in class also, since our problem here has words, our answer, we can't leave it like this. It needs to have words. So we're going to say something along the lines of, the boat is about 214.45 feet offshore. And you're done. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and I'm making these videos as supplemental instruction for my students. If you found these videos actually informative or they answer the question you're looking for, make sure you hit the like button, and then don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell to receive notifications for future instructional math videos.